Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making Jamaican Gungo rice and peas, and this is pigeon peas, and I'm using the green one. So over here guys, I've got my coconut, I've got my green Gungo, pigeon peas, some garlic, ginger, green scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and spring onion. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna light our stove. And yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So over here guys, I've got my pot on, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my gungo, and I've been soaking my gungo from overnight because green gungo doesn't take long to cook. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme. I'm also gonna add some ginger, just cut into some fresh ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm also gonna add some pimento. Yeah, I'm just gonna add 5 pimento seeds. And yeah, I love cook my rice and peas with pimento berries guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop the lid on guys, and I'm gonna allow that to cook, but I'm gonna keep checking. So for the next 10 minutes I'm gonna check guys on it, alright? So guys, after 10 minutes, so yeah, this is how it looks. I still need to add some more liquid to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna feel if the gungo cook. And you know it's green gungo guys, it doesn't take long, so I'm gonna give it a 5 more minutes. I'm gonna add some more water to it, about 2 cups of water. And I'm gonna allow that to cook for next 10 more minutes, and then yes, then we're gonna check on it again. Alright guys, so now guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check our pigeon peas to see if it's cooked. So you're just gonna take one, spin the spoon like this guys, and you're just gonna take one and squish it. And yes, it's time to put in all my seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some spring onion and some green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper in there, because remember I already had put some thyme in there already guys. And I'm also gonna add my coconut milk, a cup of coconut milk in there. Give it a stir. I'm also gonna add some pink salt, because I need a bit of salt, and I'm just adding a teaspoon, just a teaspoon of pink salt to the pot. And I'm also gonna add a little bit more fresh thyme guys, just a little tiny bit more of fresh thyme, not a lot. So yes, so I'm just gonna add that amount of fresh thyme in there, and I'm gonna bring that to a boil. Meantime, I'll go and wash my rice, because you know we Caribbean people, we wash our rice. So meantime that's boiling guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash my rice. Now that my rice is washed guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it in the pot. And this is 2.5 cups of rice. So yes, I'm gonna give it a stir. You can go ahead guys and take out the thyme stem if you like, but I'll take out mine at the end of the cooking when the rice steam. So I'm gonna pop back the lid on that guys, and let that boil until all the water is dried out. Then I'm gonna turn on the stove and low heat, because I'm medium now, and let it steam. So guys, after all the liquid dried out excuse me, this is how my gungo rice and peas is looking so far. And as I said before in my videos, guys, I do not use plastic bags or foil paper to put over my rice for it to steam. I just put it on low heat and let it steam organically, right? Because I don't want the chemicals from the bags and all of that. No, I just leave it to steam. So guys, this is how it looks. I'm gonna fluff it out a bit. You're not gonna get gungo red and the rice and peas to red like kidney beans, because gungo is mostly green, and when it's cooked you get that brown look with the coconut milk right in there. This is so shelly, guys. Yeah, so this is how you want your rice and peas to look. Gungo, rice and peas, pigeon peas, this is the way you want it, guys. Shelly and nice. Yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna give it a little taste, guys, just a tiny amount of taste. Wow, guys, it's so nice, proper nice. It's not because I cooked it why it's nice, it's just nice. So guys, sorry for the noise in the background, I'm doing some laundry. So yeah, so guys, I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who supported me throughout. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, what you're waiting for, please go ahead and do so. Smash that notification bell so whenever I upload you won't miss the video. Guys, please do give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Until then, guys, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna go and take care of yourself, stay safe, eat healthy. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.